Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of one of our quality pre-owned vehicles that has been through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process, and is equipped with
Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated door mirrors, split fold-down rear seat, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear spoiler, auto-dimming door mirrors, dual front side impact airbags, ventilated front seats, steering wheel controls, park view rear backup camera, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer.
After viewing this vehicle, we hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you why Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is the best place to buy your next vehicle.